Margana Ario kod Piero Ario kod Ario. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Today is the 30th of October 2022. Welcome, and today we want to have a very short video talking about this phrase that has been going around, Luoro Pap di Aboro. So there's a famous Luo musician. He's just released an album, and the album is talking about Luoro Pap di Aboro. So Luo music is a lot of poetry. It's not what they say. So there's a lot of meaning to what they say, and what they say is not what they mean. That's why when they say Luoro Pap di Aboro, I will give you the literal meaning, and then I will explain and leave it at that. So you are the one who will get to the crux of the matter and what it means, okay? So the term Luoro Pap di Aboro, those are 4 words. And I want to go through each and every word, explain what it means. So Luoro means going round. So when you're going round something, you say Luoro. The Luoro is going round. Pap is a field. Okay? Pap is a field. So Luoro Pap is going round a field. Di Aboro. So di Aboro means 8 times. So this di is times. So then the Aboro is the number. So if you said 2 times, you would have said di Ario. But now, because you're going 8 times, you say di Aboro. So we say Luoro Pap di Aboro. Di Aboro. We seldom say di Aboro, although the right way to say it is di Aboro. Now the Luo musician said that men, this is a literal meaning, men should be going around the field 8 times. Okay? Remember, this is poetry. This is not what he's saying, and that is not what he means. So if you had the song and you were thinking of getting the meaning, I have now broken it down into what it means. It means the Luo musician is asking men to go round the field 8 times. That is what has caused a furor. Is it furor, echoes of furor? That is what has called a furor in the circles, and men are complaining that they cannot go around the field 8 times because the field might be too big, or their own questions, their own answers. I don't want to reveal too much, and that would be a bad way to. So can you now get the meaning of what he means? Can you get the meaning of what all this mean? Luoro Pap di Aboro, going around the field 8 times. I hope you get the meaning. If you do, well and good. If you don't, write on the comment below, and someone else will read it, and then they will be able to understand. And that's it for the day. You have a great day. I hope to see you guys soon. And if you've not joined us, please, the other thing I usually say is, please remember that we are trying to build content. Content will go a long way. And if you've not joined us as a member, please go and be a member. Now, when you go to member, just go to Luo English Dictionary. Just search for Luo English Dictionary. And if you search for Luo English Dictionary, it should be the first channel that you see here. We are now at 7.34 subscribers. If you click on that, then you click on the join button. So you can join as a member. So then if you join as a member, this will enable us to do a lot of things together. I hope that you'll be joining or you'll be subscribing. Please subscribe or share this video with your friends so that they know what Luoro Pap di Aboro means. You have a great one and continue. Keep on keeping on. Oriti.